Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today we're doing November's BOXYCHARM. I just got it in the mail and I have to open it. Now BOXYCHARM is awesome. I get the base box. It's $25 a month. I paid 3 months at a time, so it ends up being like $23.33 per box. So it's $70 for every 3 months. That's what I pay. I think it's a great deal. You get awesome full-size products, at least 5 full-size products in every base box. The premium is $35 and you get 6 or 7 full-size products. I'm not sure because I don't get that one. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to open up the products, show them to you, and I'm going to read off of here, and I'm going to have some extra footage of me putting it on, and I'll let you guys know what I think after I've actually used the product. And it's gonna like intercede between each other. We'll see how it works. I did this last time. Did you guys like it? Let me know down in the comments below. Open it up. I'm super excited. This month we're supposed to get something from Natasha Denona, and I haven't tried her products before because I got it. Mainly because I did go to Sephora and I did like some swatches and stuff before the pandemic. I wasn't like a lot of swatches I did on other palettes. They were stronger, you know, color wise, and it just felt like you really have to dig into Natasha Denona because I don't know. And then the price point is just I can't personally see myself spending $125 on one palette. That's scary. So here we are with our November, the BOXYCHARM Harvest box, and this is November's box. It also gives us a 25% off coupon at natashadenona.com. So yeah, I see. Let's just pull it out. This is the packaging that the Natasha Denona little palette comes in. It's $48. I'm gonna do this little out of order. Oh, that's pretty. So let's see. Let's do swatches real fast. Well, this definitely has more payoff than I've seen in store. Those are the 5 colors that shimmer. It's really pretty. It's a full eye look. We'll just read what it says. Very nice harvest look. I kind of really like it. So the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunset eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. Alrighty, so that is the Natasha Denona palette, and here's a couple of thoughts on after I actually used the product. Alright, so this is the Natasha Denona palette, and I love the colors. It's really pretty, nice, beautiful fall look. I really like this palette. I'm very happy this came in BOXYCHARM this month. Definitely it gave me a reason why I should look at Natasha Denona in the future. And I used every shade in the palette, so very nice. Kind of unique, different, kind of messy. Very messy, sorry. So the next thing I see is the Gimme Brow Benefit Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. It's a brow gel. Yeah, gotta use it for our brows. Gotta make it look nice. And this is what it looks like. Every once in a while, or at least when I read my emails, because sometimes I don't, I get an email saying, hey, pick out your pick for this month's box. And if I catch it in time, I'm able to decide. This was my pick for this month, and I really wanted to try more of Benefit's products, so I went with this one. And it was between a brow gel and a mascara. And I have a lot of mascaras, so I wanted to try another brow gel. I've only used the Anastasia one before, so this is something new. And the card says, Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny fibers that adheres to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapered brush provides easy mess-proof application. And poof, fuller looking brows magically appear. This is $24. I think the brow gel did really well. It's perfect for just a quick swipe. Super natural looking eyebrows. You know, I think it does really well when your eyebrows are shaved really well. Right now, I definitely need a trim. I need a wax, you know. So I think it does really well, and I'm excited to use this some more. And the next one on our list is this eyeshadow gel. This is Alamar Cosmetics, and I could always use another eyeshadow gel. Primer. It's a primer. It's Alamar Cosmetics Primero Primer. Long wear sticky pigment base. A waterproof primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and maximize color and pearl dimension. It's water and wear resistant, enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize a primer shade. That's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and check it out. This thing is sticky. It's very, very sticky. I'm more of a fan of Anastasia's, where it's kind of more of a smooth thing. It does stick a little bit, but it's not like, I still have stuff stuck to my hand. It's really, really sticky, and sometimes that makes it harder to blend, so we're definitely gonna have to see very, very soon. Alright, so this is the Natasha Denona palette, and as for the primer, made it really hard to blend. But on the plus side, I really like this palette, and I find this really interesting. I guess because the Natasha Denona like specialty thing we got going on, we end up with 2 eyeshadow palettes in this one. So we'll be doing 2 different eyes here. And this one is the Esmeralda 2 by Beauty Creation. Alrighty, so it says on here, this palette is named after Beauty Creation's CEO and embodies her boss babe side. It's the perfect everyday look palette with a mix of nudes, greens, even hints of muted yellows to add a pop of color to your day. This 15 shade warm tone palette contains both mattes and shimmers. And it's $13.99, so that's not bad. That's not bad. Let's open it up so you can see it real quick. So there you go. That's nice. It's pretty. Let's check it out. I think it's nice. I'm not as thrilled with the payoff for the colorings. It's not as dark as I would have liked. Otherwise, I was able to get a pretty close match of the 2 palettes, but I do really like the shimmer that was in this one a lot better than this shimmer right here. It was a lot harder to work with, but in total, it's not a bad palette for $14. This one, I'm not sure if it's really worth $48, but I'm glad I got it in BOXYCHARM. And lastly, that's 4 products, so we only have 1 product left, and we have Dr. Brandt Antitoxin Spray Toner. This toner is packed with an antitoxin rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. And this guy is $40. Not bad. I've needed a new toner, so I'm excited to try this one. I can't wait. Alright, so this is a really nice product. It's just a basic toner. You spray it, you're good to go. Go ahead and put on your moisturizer, any serums or anything that you want to do at night, and be on your way. There's no scent to it. It's very lightweight. You don't feel it at all. And It's good. I like it. It'll be good. Try something new. Yeah. Alrighty, everyone. So that is it for today's video. Yes, I'm filming on another day, and I played with that Natasha Denona palette. Kind of did a similar look, and I really do like this palette. I love everything that came in the BOXYCHARM this month. They had some great products at fantastic value, and I get to try everything. It's so much fun. I love it. If you guys want to try BOXYCHARM, go ahead and use my link down in the description or the code. It doesn't add any extra cost to you guys, but I do get some points, and it's kind of nice because you get to try different things. You get to use your points to buy more products to put in your BOXYCHARM, which is kind of cool, you know? So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you guys did. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because more videos are coming to you. I got Blood Money from Jeffree Star coming in just a few days, so I will see you guys all on the next one. You all have a beautiful, healthy day now, okay? Bye! Charm What am I saying?